In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram private messages. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram application and then hit at your DMs icon. Now, right there, you can delete the whole conversations or single messages, and I'll show you the both ways. So first, open up a conversation, and now if you want to delete your single message, just hold down on that message and then hit on unsend to remove it from conversation. Now, if you want to remove the whole conversation, all you have to do is swipe left from the right corner of the conversation to bring up that options. Here, tap at More and then tap on Delete and confirm it by tapping on Delete again. As you can see, conversation has just been removed from here. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.